Romney's new Jeep to China ad campaign could be the biggest lie to date. Romney is running a completely false commercial in Ohio. It claims because of the auto loan, Chrysler is planning to move Jeep production to China. The claim is a flat-out lie. After Romney was told the ad was false, he doubled down and started running this radio commercial.
Barack Obama says he saved the auto industry. But for who? Ohio or China? Well, under President Obama, GM cut 15,000 American jobs. But they're planning to double the number of cars built in China, which means 15,000 more jobs for China. And now comes word that Chrysler plans to start making Jeeps in, you guessed it, China.
Romney's campaign is running the ad in Toledo, Ohio, the site of a Jeep plant. This radio spot is even more dishonest than the TV ad. Not only does it double down on the Jeep lie, but it suggests the auto loan didn't save the auto industry. Well, General Motors, the General Motors, responded to the ad today saying, at this stage, we're looking at a Hubble telescope-length distances between campaign ads and reality. GM's creating jobs in the United States and repatriating profits back to this country should be a source of bipartisan pride. These ads also had Jeep employees scared about losing their jobs. So Chrysler CEO felt the need to set the record straight. He pointed out Mitt Romney's lie for the second time. In an email to employees, he wrote, Jeep assembly lines will remain in operation in the United States and will constitute the backbone of the brand. It is inaccurate to suggest anything different. Now, who do you want to believe? The guys running the company or Mitt Romney? These aren't the only lies that Romney's campaign is pushing. Think Progress reports the Romney campaign is training poll watchers to mislead voters in the state of Wisconsin. One example is poll watchers were taught any person who is a convicted felon cannot vote. It's a flat-out lie. In Wisconsin, felons can vote. Meanwhile, in Ohio, the lies continue. Former Minnesota Senator Norm Coleman, on the stump for his buddy, told a group of Ohio voters on Monday Roe v. Wade would be safe under a Romney administration. Really? Then Will Pass, a group campaigning for social conservatives in Ohio, declined to comment on Coleman's remarks. Doesn't seem like they're on the same page. Let's bring in Ohio State Senator Neil